tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to produce high-quality, large-format prints with ease, speed, and precision. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the Epson SureColor T2170 24-inch desktop wireless poster CAD plotter printer is here to make that dream a reality. In this review, we're going to dive into the key features that make this printer a game changer for anyone looking to take their printing capabilities to the next level. First, let's talk about speed. We've all been there, waiting for what feels like an eternity for our prints to finish. But with the Epson SureColor T2170, those days are behind us. This printer can produce accurate A1/D size prints in just 43 seconds. That's incredibly fast, and it's all thanks to the Precision Core Micro TFP printhead, which offers precision droplet control for outstanding clarity. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, being able to quickly produce high-quality prints can be a huge time saver and a major boost to your productivity. Another area where the Epson SureColor T2170 really shines is in its ease of use. The large, intuitive 4.3-inch LCD color touchscreen makes it easy to navigate and simplify print tasks. No more digging through complicated menus or struggling to figure out how to get your print job started. With this printer, you can quickly and easily select your print settings and get back to work. And with the ability to print from virtually anywhere in the office, using your tablet, smartphone, or other devices, you've got the freedom to work from anywhere without being tied to your desk. Now let's talk about ink. We've all been there, running out of ink at the worst possible moment and having to scramble to replace it. But with the Epson SureColor T2170, that's a thing of the past. The high-capacity cartridges can hold up to 50 milliliters of color ink and 80 milliliters of black ink, so you can print more and worry less about running out of ink. And with the all-pigment durable inks, you can be confident that your prints will last without fading or degrading over time. But what really sets the Epson SureColor T2170 apart is its ability to print from virtually anywhere in the office. With integrated wireless plus router-free Wi-Fi direct printing, you can easily print from your tablet, smartphone, or other devices without having to be physically connected to the printer. This is a huge advantage, especially in today's fast-paced, mobile work environment. Whether you're working from a conference room, a coffee shop, or even from home, you can quickly and easily print out the documents and designs you need without having to worry about being tied to a specific location. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor T2170 24-inch desktop wireless poster CAD plotter printer is an incredible piece of technology that's sure to revolutionize the way you print. With its fast print speeds, easy operation, high-capacity cartridges, and ability to print from virtually anywhere, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to take their printing capabilities to the next level. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to learn more and to get your hands on this amazing printer. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. The Epson SureColor T2170 is a game changer, and it's going to change the way you work and the way you print forever. So what are you waiting for? Join the printing revolution and experience the power and precision of the Epson SureColor T2170 for yourself.